I don't know. Look at it. Whose name is on it?
Did you get a Mickey Mouse package? Nora, open it.
Are you sure?
Nora.
Look at it. I see your name
It
on
is
there.
yours. It says Nora on it.
No, it says, to Nora from Grandpa, Grandma, Auntie Beth, and Uncle Pat.
Nora.
It's okay. Here you go. Now try it. Give it a try.
I wonder what that could be.
I don't know.
Let's tear it all up.
Oh my goodness.
Tear it. We had to tear paper off.
Oh my goodness.
What is it, Nora?
It's like toy paint.
My goodness. Okay, attach this paper. Good.
What is it?
Like a new coin.
Do you like it? You say thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa, Grandma, Pat, and Beth.
Thank you, Grandma.
Grandpa and Auntie Beth and Uncle Pat.
You say I love you, Merry Christmas.
I love you. Merry Christmas.
Look at the camera and smile, honey. That's cool. Do you like that? Do you know what that is? It's a remote control Lightning McQueen. It drives. You can leave the paper on there.